When I text you and thing and you leaving me unseen, watch how you just come back. When you and your man fall out and you come, good night, Boojam. Don't good night me, good night Jesus. You hear what I'm telling you? Good night Jesus. Don't text my phone, please.
Hey, come on, let me go. Steamy, teeny, You naughty, you teasing me, you naughty.
Attempting a new content form which I can have vlog style content. Nothing coming now, some coming. I ain't chancing that shit. Anyhow, yeah. Because I realized I just hold the camera real close to my face. So like I wanna try a little further maybe. Oh father, we're gonna go on there. Yeah. Oh god. Hey, men do like the life, boy. Real men risking the life right now, guys. Anyhow. Yeah. So that is the attempt at the moment. Some more vlogish looking style content. Hopefully the breeze now overwhelming as well. But today just gonna be like an errand day and a fun day at the same time too. Cause my errands doesn't be like
talk, more talk, plus talk, divided by talk, multiply by talk.
okay, so we can go and sign the form now. And out of teach school. Yes, I attend the University of Trinidad and Tobago. I do. W school. Get your education, young bucks. I still have my student ID. For some reason I forget to take it off. But we reach. I can't tell them a secret thrifting location. But yeah, just know I reach. And we're gonna go inside now, see where's the code, and then we're gonna go and meet up Tandy and Gio. Yeah. Alright, monsters. It's a little limited what I get today, but we still get shit. Most important thing, we still get some stuff. You understand? And I even buy some shit that mine fit, but we'll see how it go now, but you know, that kind of way. So we just to test it when I go home, wash it, yeah, that kind of way. Anyhow, time to go pick up my friends. Right, monsters, you don't know the code. We're looking to make a move. Nobody know where they're going though.
Please! How, boy? How?
So we're going good. We start good already. You understand? We will try to find it. Right? And I just hope the road not too bad because, you know, can't be visiting no mechanic in this year. You see with these tickets and thing already, guys? Nah, the place real hard already.
All inside didn't fight crime at all. The ticket. I all the waste of time.
You understand? And yeah. Well, let me stop recording and driving in front of the police station before they really give me a ticket. New year, new hike, guys. This is a new one. Oh! We never went. Oh, Lardy mix Claddy. But yeah, guys, new year, new hike. You know, we haven't done this one before. What's the name of this one, Tandy? You know?
Morang waterfall.
Morang waterfall. Sounds very good. You know, we watch our YouTube video of Matt and Lovey doing it. Shout out Matt and Lovey. I used to watch them all the time. I used to always watch something like that, but telling you, Matt, I envy you. But yeah. I know how long this hike is. So yeah, we sustenance though, you know, 40 gallon thing. Where's that? But yeah, guys, this could be, you know, hopefully a nice, peaceful, calm one, chilling, you know. No zombies out here. Yeah. Just me displaying my amazing athletic ability to walk over this pipe. You know, my friends couldn't do it, but you know I could because I am me. You want to shake there, you shake it, did you? You give up, boy. Tandy, you're gonna get real wet, just let you know. Guys, they just don't have it like me, you understand? I just walk across that whole pipe. Not even a little bit of wet self. A dry like that. Hey, don't fall along there, boss. Yeah, but apparently for this hike, in case anybody want to come to this hike, dog, you're just supposed to follow the pipeline going straight up, and it will carry you straight to the top, apparently. Amit, I found it, bro. You see me playing Amit. I using 2.
Me ain't play with them at all. I'm using 2.
Go ahead.
Right, guys. I'm confident to the camera, lady. But, you know, we reach. I don't know. And, see my type in the water.
Right.
Yeah, apparently there are more pools up the road. But we don't know if we can go. We'll see. Yeah, nah, don't bother. That's not my type. Check him now, guys. Check him. The grind don't stop. We continue to trot it through Mount Zion. Through the hills and the valleys. We don't in the Gideon. They know one time. Shout out my dogs. Where's that? Where is that in the jumper? Yeah, Stan, he said this is the second pool.
I did not.
What's the waterfall? What's the waterfall? Where you go now?
Up there.
Look, give you the second pool over there, guys.
So come back here. Did you want to take a trip?
Alright, cinema. Let's go to the next one.
You going up there? Let's keep going up there. You want to go so?
I could right here. Now let's get this one.
It's alright. Good.
Yeah, functioning right back by myself right now. Have stopped to, you know, admire the beauty within the nature and how the nature causes me to be beautiful as well. You understand what I'm saying? Good, I hear now rushing at our next water. I think that third pool, the water falling hard, boy. Yeah, boy, look at there. What's all that?
And you don't seem to understand. A shame you seemed an honest man. And all the fears you.
Blue soap in the building, all that. Blue soap. What is this? What is this? Nah.
On this clip?
No, and why is there so much of blue? That blue soap?
Okay.
God, hey, yo, let me go from here, boy. Nah, boy, them come too prepared, boy. Oh, it have about 20 blue soap inside here. Men start in the air, correct? Blade and leave the zombie in that blue soap. That's what they're doing. Good job, guys. Good job. Wait.
I'm not going to say.
Can we go there? Lay down.
No bad thing. Yeah. No bad thing.
Wait, take it so long, mate.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, one time.
Just cry, I want to cry, but I can't cry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't chat like a bad, you ain't menace. Only caught you steps was tennis. See, I do deets on a debit while guys like you always had good credit. Now it's back to the lab like medic. Could've rolled needed medication. Try and clear me out the scene like Jakes. Take a flight, now I'm jetting vacation. When stepping in uniform, I didn't go uni or step to my form. Had bare packs that it weren't informed, so you know what I mean when I ran out the scores. Do it from the corner, you're an informer, caller. Randall snitch, a big talker, talk up. I can't slip, I just warmed up. Aye.
Well, we'll finish our guys, just to finish off the night. It is currently 20 to 11 and my keys are locked in my car. Yeah, it's currently 20 to 11 and my keys are locked in my car. You know, I'm trying to get home, but it's real pain and sorrow at the moment, you know. But so the cookie does crumble. Back to the outro.
We're a different bed, do something out of step. Throw a stranger an unexpected smile. Too late to start, got